Hey cruisers and drylanders! While cruising back to back on Princess Cruises, I eventually needed a few things washed, so I decided to test out the self-service laundry on board. Was it easy to use? Was it crowded? And most importantly, was it actually worth doing laundry while on vacation? Let's go explore! For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship. While cruising back to back on 2 7-day cruises, I needed to wash a few things, so I decided to try the self-service laundry on board. And by the way, the cover-up I'm wearing is available on my website, link below. On my ship, every floor had a self-service laundry, but it's usually located at the back of the ship. And since my room was at the front of the ship, it took a little bit to get there. Since I knew laundry would take some time, I brought my laptop with me and decided to stay and wait for it. I've heard stories of people removing clothes from the washers if you're not there right then when the cycle ends, and I did not want that happening to me. The wash cycles are around 30 minutes and the drying cycles are around 40 minutes, and there is also assistance available if you need it. There are machines where you can purchase laundry tokens. You simply select your language, choose how many tokens you would like to buy, and then use your medallion to complete the purchase. It was really simple to use. I brought my own laundry packets, but you can also purchase detergent and fabric softener from the machine using your tokens. I got lucky. No one came through the laundry area the entire time I was washing my clothes. From what I noticed, the best times are usually before dinner, like when I went, or early in the morning on port days if you want to avoid the crowds. And just as I was about to start the dryer, the captain came on with a ship announcement. It was a nice little pause, listening to their beautiful Italian accent before finishing my laundry.
Morning, we are scheduled to embark the pilot at 7:45, and Mazatlan is a beautiful port to watch the arrival. If you are awake, my recommendation is to be around 8:15, 10 past 8, 8:15, when we will approach the swing circle inside the port. We will then rotate about 180 degrees and proceeding alongside the starboard side. Alongside, we are planning to be ready to let you disembark by 9 o'clock in the morning. With that is all from my side. If you're having dinner, enjoy your dinner, enjoy your meal, buon appetito, rest well, charge your battery for another beautiful day tomorrow in Mazatlan.
And all done. Easy, efficient, and back to the cruise. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this moment at sea, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for what's coming next. Thanks for watching.